السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إنا نحن نزلنا الذكر وإنا له لحافظون صدق الله العظيم. Dear brothers and sisters, this is Mizanur Rahman Azhari speaking from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. First of all, I'd like to congratulate those who completely memorized the Holy Quran in 2019 and 2020 session at Averroes International School. And this is my immense pleasure to announce those beautiful names now. Zebadia bint Alam Zahra, grade 4. Adiba Aisha Suha, grade 6. Abdullah ibn Afzal, grade 7. Maliha Juwairia, grade 7. Mahdiya Patwari, grade 8. Aisha Shafkat Bhuya, grade 9. Mizanur Rahman, grade 2. And lastly, Salim Chishti, grade 2. I have to say that you did a very brilliant job, mashallah, tabarakallah. You all have already memorized the entire book of Allah. So now it's your turn to study and understand the teaching of the Holy Quran properly and enlighten the society. My sincere prayers are always with you. May Allah grant you more tawfiq to work for Islam and humanity. Please don't forget to revise daily this precious book of Allah, which you have already memorized, mashallah, tabarakallah. And I wish you every success in this dunya and hereafter. Now, I hereby officially declare the commencement of the third Hifz Convocation Ceremony 2020 of Averroes International School. May Allah bless us all. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
That was wonderful. Alhamdulillah. Jazakallah khairan for taking the time to attend our program and also for delivering this speech. We are immensely grateful.